Okay, y'all fanatics, welcome back to Bermuda Grass Central. Look, I know you guys are wondering, hey BYD, is it a good time to go ahead and put my pre-emergent down now? And the answer is yes. This January, what, the 19th, 20th, somewhere around there. And guys, it's been raining like crazy. If you have been receiving a lot of rain and you applied your prodiamine last year, more than likely that prodiamine may have got washed out. You may even see weeds popping up ahead of time. And that's primarily because the prodiamine got washed out. So guys, look, I'm about to bring online a new pre-emergent that you guys need to know about. The name of this pre-emergent is called Dithiopyr. Now, it's going to be plenty of ways to pronounce that, so however you pronounce it is how you pronounce it. All right, and I'm going to show you one reason why you should consider using the Dithiopyr 40 WSB wettable soluble bags right now. Okay guys, we're out here in the BYD's backyard again. Once again, that is that's the hybrid Bermuda right there. And this is the Bermuda grass that BYD planted himself. And as you can see in that last video I did of the season, I think, don't quote me on it, 0.4 something application rate on the entire backyard. And the part right there is sloped off, okay? My hybrid part is pretty much on flat surface. And as you can see, just by looking at the picture, you can kind of see where I got some weeds coming up, clovers. I don't see any visual crabgrass, but I'm pretty sure it's on its way. All right, now one of the products that I just told you about, the way it works is like this. It works as a pre-emergent, just like the prodiamine does. But what's more outstanding about the wettable soluble bag, that Dithiopyr 40, is that it will have a pre-emergence and a post-emergent effect. Pre-emergence on the regular weed seeds, but a post-emergent effect on your crabgrass. And this is not crabgrass that's full grown, but this is baby crabgrass at its first tiller stage. And believe it or not, guys, sometimes you won't even see the first tiller stage of the crabgrass. That crabgrass is basically developing up underground. So when it breaks the surface, the Dithiopyr contains another ingredient in it that's just like quinclorac, that's supposed to kill it off at its baby stage. Now, this is not going to kill it off when it's full grown. This is not like a quinclorac dry formula 75, nothing like that. But Dithiopyr is something that I've used in the past. I've had more success with prodiamine, but when I have situations where I'm getting constant rain, and it's starting to slack up, but we had a real rainy winter, Dithiopyr is a good choice. All right, so let me show you what it looks like, and we'll talk a little bit more about it in the application rates. Okay, y'all fanatics, look, this is something just got in the mail today, and it's a product. I want you to see where it came from. I ordered this off of eBay, all right? And no affiliation, but you know, they sent it to me, so I want you guys to kind of know where it came from. I got this off of eBay. It's gonna be a little unbagging, first time opening. I've used this product in the past, but I thought maybe I should introduce you guys into it. So let's go ahead and open this thing up here. A little box knife like that. And hopefully, let me see if I can get it so you can see it. I won't cut it completely open. All right, so let's check this out. Being real gentle, you know, I could just rip that off, but this glue is real hard to break like this. So let's go ahead and take my little box blade and cut it open. And guys, when you get this, when you see it online, it's gonna look like this, all right? But it's gonna come like this. Most people think that this comes in a bottle, like that prodiamine I ordered. But this product is called, I don't know if you can see that, Dithiopyr 40 WSB. All right. And guys always ask me, what does the WSB stand for? That's wettable soluble bag. All right, because inside this bag should contain 5 more bags. So let's go ahead and open that up, and we'll see. And just in case you want to know what's in it, and I say Dithiopyr, but guys, however you pronounce it, that's how you pronounce it. All right, it's 40% of the 2-methylproline, and these awesome words. And the other 6% ingredients is, and I'm having a problem with that. They never tell you what the inert materials are, but it's basically just a carrier agent. All right, it may be some other stuff, but the main ingredient is right there. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what it looks like. Guys, I took my knife and I kind of sliced it down the side. It does have tear marks on the side, but it cuts a little bit better with the blade. Just make sure you don't cut it past the little seal mark right there. All right, and what do we have on the inside? All right, before I reach my hand in this bag, let me put some gloves in, guys. Got my gloves on, so let's reach in here, see what we got. Now, content said we should have what? 1, 2. Get this out of here. 4 of these little bags like this. All right. I'm gonna place this on top of this. All right. So, okay, guys. So we have 4 pouches in this now. Bear in mind, this is a little bit more difficult than prodiamine. Prodiamine is a powdery substance, but it has a granular look. It's more granular than this. This is really like powder, like cocaine powder. All right. Each of these pouches are 5 ounces each. Check this out. A 5-ounce pouch can cover 10,000 square feet, possibly more than that. All right. These pouches right here, like I said, it's real squishy. It's a little bit more difficult to apply. So the application rate, and guys, I need for you to always read these instructions when you get them. Just don't go on what you see on YouTube. But the application rate in this is for the Bermuda lawn and the that's basically all lawns. But you're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. It's a 0.46 ounce per application rate per 1,000 square feet. This is a soluble ingredient. And basically, you add the 0.46 to your tanks, to your handheld sprayer, to your backpack sprayer, whatever it is. I always recommend you use 1 gallon of water per 0.46 of this per 1,000 square feet. All right, that's the application rate that you can use. Of course, you could put this in a tank sprayer or whatever you have, but one of these bags, which is awesome, will cover 10,000 square feet. So BYD has 17,000 square feet. I actually would use 2, which would be right at 20,000, because I can go a little bit over. The max on this, and don't quote me, I think it's at 1, don't use no more than 1.25 ounces per year on that 1,000 square feet. All right, so it's very important, guys, that you read the instructions on this before you apply. It's a little bit more tricky, but I'll show you in a future video on how to apply this. Right now, I just want to get you ready for the Dithiopyr 40 wettable soluble bags, okay? All right. Okay, your fanatics, and listen, that is basically how Dithiopyr works and how it looks. Yeah, I am going to make a video showing you the complete way to apply it to your lawn. It's similar to prodiamine, and it shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, guys, right now you need to get your pre-emergent down as soon as possible. If you're gonna go with prodiamine, you can still go with it. Now I know a lot of you guys are saying, well, BYD, the temps super cold. Yeah, that's gonna be a factor in putting it down. But if you stay in one of these areas where the temperatures are coming up to 65, I'm gonna go ahead and recommend that you put it down now. Don't wait for temperatures to get to 80, 90 degrees. That's just nonsense. I did have a video that I did in the past, and I had application dates down there. I think I said November the 15th, December the 15th, January the 15th, and April 15th around tax time. But if it's coming this hard, January the 15th and February the 15th are also great dates. It's not a date that's saying that, oh, I put it down this date, it's gonna catch everything. But a strong prodiamine pre-emergent program is the key to preventing weeds in your lawn. All right, so guys, remember one thing. You are tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.